It's time now to answer some of your legal questions, and we turn to Fox 26 senior legal analyst Chris Tritico. Good morning, Chris. Glad to have you all over again. Got some goodies for you. We're going to start with Lori, who writes, during the winter storm, my job was without power for several days. In addition, Highway 225 was shut down and we could not get to work. We were off 3 days and worked from home 2 days. Now we are told that we have to use our vacation or sick time for the days our company was closed. Is this legal?
Well, I'm afraid it is. They don't have to give you paid time off for something like this if they don't choose to. Many employers did pay their employees for that time off, but it's not a law that they do that. And so if they're going to allow you to make up that time off with vacation and sick days and pay you for that time with those days, then they can do that, or they can choose just not to pay you at all. It's up to them. So accept the time off if you want that pay, or tell them just not to pay you at all if you want to keep the sick days and the vacation. It's up to you. Good luck.
Our next question comes from Latricia, who writes, can Habitat for Humanity of Houston force homeowners to hand over their insurance payment claims for repairs needed on their homes? The homeowners are the ones paying for it and have previously been told to give them the payment. The homeowners have to get the repairs done, then they will come out and inspect. Then they will decide if the repairs meet their standards. Is this legal?
I think it probably is. When you have a home financed and you have repaired an insurance claim, then the insurance company makes the check out to you and your finance company so that they can insure exactly that same thing. So check your contract or your deal, whatever you sign with Habitat for Humanity. It's probably the exact same thing. That's my guess. I've never looked at a contract with Habitat for Humanity, but I'm assuming that's what this is, that they get to inspect to make sure that you've actually made the repairs and haven't just pocketed the money and not repaired the home to their satisfaction. Good luck.
Our next question comes from Connie, who writes, our apartment building has it in our lease that you cannot smoke weed in the unit. The problem I'm having is the person in the apartment below me keeps smoking weed. It comes into my apartment. It has made me leave my apartment a couple of times. I had to go to the doctor to get a note to try and get the attention of the apartment management and to protect myself. Can I sue for my health? Isn't the apartment complex responsible to enforce the policy?
So let's take the first question. No, I don't think you can sue for that. But the second question, they should be enforcing their own policies, especially if they put it in their lease. This is not a standard Texas lease, so I'm going to guess that this is either a small private unit or a government housing unit, and then they may have put that in a government housing project. I'm not sure. But yes, they should be enforcing their own policies, and if that's in the lease, then they should be enforcing that if you've shown to them that someone is actually violating the lease by smoking marijuana. But you can't sue them for health damages because you're not going to be able to prove that whatever health damages you're having is because someone below you is smoking marijuana in his unit in violation of the lease. Good luck.
Good questions, comparable answers, even though one almost got you stumped there.
That's right.
Thanks a lot, Chris.
You bet.
Now, if you'd like to send us your legal questions, just go to our website, fox26houston.com. You can find Chris's segments under the Morning News tab. And as always, for any specific information and advice, you should contact an attorney of your choice.